Hello everyone, welcome back to the Fit IT Guy. Today I have some carbon fiber lower mirror covers for the Model Y Juniper. As you can see here, it's just such a nice sporty and aggressive looking design to already match the carbon fiber mirror covers that we already have on here. These are from Yeslac. You can get them from yeslac.com, 25% off with my code TFIG. And they do sell the upper and the lower as a kit, or you can buy it separately if you already have mirror covers, or if you just want the lower without the upper. Since I already have the uppers here, I'm doing the lower separately. So I'm going to show you how to put these on. They have the tape already pre-applied, which I love. You know, that's my favorite thing. And here they are again. This is in glossy carbon fiber. They also have it in matte carbon fiber. So let's go ahead and get started with the install. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the included adhesion promoter, and I'm going to go ahead and wipe off the lower mirror piece here to remove any dirt and any dust off of there, and to help promote adhesion from the tape on the carbon fiber cover. I'm going to go ahead and clean up the other side as well, and I'll be right back. All right, so now I'm going to peel off the tape backing on the mirror cover here, and then we're going to go ahead and put it on. All right, so I got the tape backing off here, and we're just going to go ahead and put this on now. So we're going to get the front portion first so it lines up evenly, and then I'm going to push it back. I want to make sure this is all even. As I push it back, we heard it click there, which is good. We want it to click, and we're going to stick it up now. And we're going to hold it down, put some pressure on it for a good minute. This is a curved piece, so we want to put some extra pressure on it to make sure it sticks properly. And we can see just how good that looks. That looks really amazing. I'm just going to take the camera off here so we can see here how beautiful that looks with all that carbon. I just love it. So aggressive. And who knows, this should help with aerodynamics, right? The little splitters there on the bottom, that looks so cool. Just the carbon overload. So I'm going to go ahead and get to the other side now. Okay, just going to take the tape backing off on the left side now, and then we'll go ahead and put it on here. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put this side on now. Just want to let you know also there is this little lip here. So I'm going to hook the lip in on the back where the front of the mirror is, where the mirror glass is. And then I'm going to go ahead, after I hook it in, I'm going to line it up. And then I'm going to stick it. There we go. Now put some pressure on it, hold it in for a good minute. Again, with the curved pieces, you want to be really good with letting it stick and adhere, because this is the pressure that allows the tape to really adhere to the surface that the tape is sticking to. All right, there we go. Let's go ahead and unlock it, and look at that. That is beautiful. Now we can go ahead and lock it again, and that just looks amazing. All right, everybody, so here it is, the carbon fiber lower mirror cover from Yeslac. Again, you can save 25% off with my code TFIG. I hope you guys enjoyed this installation video and enjoy customizing your car. There's so many things you could do to Teslas, every Tesla model. There's so many exterior and interior mods to make it your own. So thanks again for watching, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps out the channel, and see you next time.